Let us walk you through how to fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends in iPhone. If Mobile Legends isn't producing any audio on your iPhone, don't assume something is seriously wrong right away. There are several practical fixes you can try before considering a repair. Start with the most basic checks. Use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to increase the sound, and double check the physical, silent, or ring switch above them. Even if everything looks fine inside the game, that small switch can instantly mute all in-app audio, so make sure it's flipped to ring mode. Once the basics are out of the way, move on to your system settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Inside this menu, select Audio and Visual, where you'll find the Balance slider. This control adjusts how sound is shared between the left and right speakers or connected headphones. If the slider is pushed too far toward either side, game audio may sound extremely quiet or appear to be missing. Center the slider, close Settings, and reopen Mobile Legends to check for improvements. If sound is still not working, the game's internal files may need a refresh. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, wait for the list to load, and find Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Tap it, then choose Offload App. This removes the app's system files without deleting your saved data. Once offloading is complete, tap Reinstall App to download a fresh version. Another common cause of missing audio is an active Bluetooth connection. Your iPhone may be outputting sound to wireless earbuds, a Bluetooth speaker, or the audio system in your car. Open Control Center, turn off Bluetooth entirely, and launch the game again to see if the sound returns. If none of those options fix the issue, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot clears many temporary glitches that interfere with sound. However, if the game is still silent after trying every step, the problem could be hardware related, such as a failing speaker or internal audio component. In that case, visiting an authorized technician or Apple service provider would be the safest next step.